Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we'll unbox a quality Bluetooth speaker from Tronsmart, which is the Tronsmart Element Mega Bluetooth speaker. So let's get into it. Tronsmart Element Mega 40 watt speaker supports Bluetooth 4.2 and comes with 50 hours of playtime. This is dual driver portable wireless speaker which has an inbuilt mic to receive hands-free call when paired with your smartphone. It supports NFC and has LED backlighting for outdoor and indoor usage. It has intuitive touch panel with gesture control. It's packed with power, having 28-core high-fidelity large subwoofer horn which are capable of producing louder output for up to 40 watts. Let's quickly test the sound quality both indoors and outdoors.
रूल सारे ब्रेक करो, जो कभी ना किया वो करो, पार्टी करने का रूल सारे ब्रेक करो।
Tronsmart make a lot of other quality gear which I will try my best to unbox them as well. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review requests and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.